Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use CapCut AI video generator on mobile with a step-by-step guide. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app on your phone. If you don't have it, download it from the Play Store or App Store. Tap on the big plus icon at the bottom to create a new project. Then tap on AI video or text-to-video. Type a detailed description of the video you want. For example, a beautiful girl walking in Tokyo at night with neon lights, cinematic style. Choose the video length, aspect ratio 9:16 for Reels or TikTok, and style if available. Then tap on Generate. CapCut's AI will create the video in a few seconds to a minute. Once generated, you can edit the video, change scenes, add music, text, or effects. After editing, tap on Export to save the video to your gallery in high quality. That's it. This is how you can easily use CapCut AI video generator on mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.